thing about it is I really believe that things happen for a reason, and destiny is a big factor in that, and it's what God can give to you.
Falling for each other, no? Anong physical trait and personality of the other that makes him or her boyfriend or girlfriend material? Like Ashlyn, when you look at Andres, anong physical trait niya at sa personality niya na naisip mo, uy, boyfriend material nga pala si Andres, ano?
Siguro po yung thoughtfulness niya, kasi parang ang laking bagay nung may mga, yung hindi mo na kailangan sabihin bago pa niya ibigay. Hindi mo kailangan hingin, bibigay niya.
Yung physical.
Physical. Parang lahat naman to. Hindi kasi, pero bukod sa physical niya, nakakagwapo po talaga sa kanya kasi yung puso niya eh. Yun talaga.
Ako din, I'll say the same thing. Yung attitude ni Ash at yung ugali niya, nakikita ko kasi we've been already working together for how many months already, and a physical trait that I love about Ash talaga is her eyes and her smile. Kasi when we're laughing minsan, aminin ko, talagang tumitingin ako sa mata niya like,
Ano yun?
may animated din minsan, so
Tingin ka nga, Andres, tingin ka nga kay Ash.
Personality-wise, nasagot.
Personality-wise, yes. Yung ugali ni Ash, kung napansin ko sa kanya, wala siyang kaarte-arte ng kahit ano. Like usually, I've met people in my life that are medyo mareklamo, about the small things, but the thing I really appreciate about Ash is kahit whatever you put in front of her, she doesn't complain talaga. And she just does her job and does it with the best effort that she can. And that's what I also really appreciate about her. Even kapag nahihirapan ako sa mga eksena, hindi siya nagagalit sa akin, hindi siya she doesn't stress me out. She always makes me feel like, oh, kaya natin to. So, yun ang my favorite traits.
Yung last question ko, kanina din sinabi ni Direk Jason na superstars in the making kayo, no? And I think that involves destiny. Kayo ba naniniwala kayo sa destiny when it comes to life and love? And destiny nyo na maging love team?
Ako before hindi, pero parang ngayon, opo. Kasi kung iisipin ko yung mga nangyari, parang na-amaze talaga ako na, wow, ang galing na andito kami ngayon. Tapos, like, wala talaga ako ina-expect na kahit ano. Pero ngayon na nandito ako, kasama ko sila din. Parang ako.
Ako naman, destiny, I really do believe in destiny in life. I think that if certain things in life are meant for you talaga, they're meant for you and they're bound to happen. Of course, without expectations, we shouldn't always expect things because, if it doesn't happen, then you get sad. But ako naman, I truly believe in destiny. I think that if it's meant for you, it's meant for you. It's given by God. And kasi parang ganito yan. If it's really meant for you, and if it's given by God, it comes easily, right? Kasi minsan, pag pinipilit mo at hindi meant para sa'yo, mas nahihirapan ka. But the nice thing about it is, I really believe that things happen for a reason, and destiny is a big factor in that, and it's what God can give to you. And if He gives it to you naman, you just have to learn to accept it and go with it, and that's what I think destiny is.
Congrats guys, I'm sure this will be a huge.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.